A local charity is on a mission to change what it calls the negative perception of some Jamaican men. This by encouraging more men to partake in noble activities. Kian Morgan has this evening's edition of A Ray of Hope.
Somewhere atop a hill between the communities of New Hall and Comfort in Manchester lives this 74-year-old farmer, Vincent Johnson. And this structure, which comprises of mainly zinc, is what Mr. Johnson calls home for the past 45 years. However, while he has grown somewhat unbothered by its deterioration over the years, these young men from the Papi Show Lifestyle Charity said after visiting the senior citizen to donate food items, they became worried for his safety. This prompted them to build him a new home.
We have built a 12 by 12 ply structure. We are give him a bed, a mattress. We are the bedding and all. And then we leave some groceries and stuff with him. So I just make him comfortable that he can have a home and a shelter, you know.
The task a difficult feat, as the trek to Mr. Johnson's home from the main road takes at least 15 minutes. Determined, the young men, along with members from the community, slid through bushes with material and equipment in hand, with the hopes of protecting Mr. Johnson from the elements.
I had my hope. It was a big father if we can have a nice room, we sleep and take night job on my head. And to tell Conrad, come check me. And when he come see, he say, all right, then let me know, so you comforted really. So I'm going to try to do something else different for you. And I found this. So I give thanks.
Founder of the charity, Conrad Scott, says the initiative has been around for about 7 years. He gave the genesis behind the name.
I went to somebody in the district and I suggested to him about the program and what we're all about. And he basically showed me out time and said, go on here, boy, you're a Papi Show, you know. So by turning my back and going down, I said, all right then. I'm going to make the name Papi Show be something, you know.
The belief is that this will not only help those in need, but also steer young men in the right direction.
The aim is just to show say people really do care, you know. Because they know the crime rate so high and something, so we are trying to make a difference, knowing that we young men can go out and take pride and do what we can do, you know.
Instead of doing crime or violence, you can, gravitate to something else, do something good, so that people can look on you, your family, your kids, down the line and say that, you have done something good.
With A Ray of Hope, I am Kian Morgan.